take a look around. Chances are you'll discover that today, like most days, there's a John Deere dealer standing by your side.
The technology just continues to increase the productivity in our customers' operations, and we all know today it's just so crucial and vital to be on the leading edge and to implement the cost savings which these new products provide. As RDO, we're here to support you.
The cool thing that Topcon's got is our X-53x Auto Excavator System. What that allows customers to do is basically get inexperienced operators in the machine and gets them working a lot faster. Just one pull of the stick and it's curling the bucket, moving the stick, moving the boom, doing everything for them.
Everybody comes here looking for new, innovative ideas to solve problems or find solutions for things that we encounter every day. Things that can give us a leg up, do things quicker, faster, more accurate. And so we're always looking for that next step that we can invest in to make us a better contractor.
Been really fun to be with the customer base here the first couple of days and see the great amount of activity in the booth and overall attitudes of new products that are out, the innovations that our manufacturer partners are highlighting here.
Right now we kind of are looking a lot into streamlining our overall connectivity between machine to machine. A lot of site link kind of functionality, which is something that we're looking in and asking a lot of questions about and kind of vetting out.
That auto excavator system is going to be a game changer, I think, in the market. Traditionally a lot of guys are finding a lot more uses for the excavator. That particular deal, and with the price point that they've come out at it, they're going after it, they're getting aggressive, and I think that's going to be where we're focusing.